In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a connected board column and mirror columns in monday.com. 5 minutes. We're going to connect two boards so they can talk to each other and then surface fields from one board into the other with a mirror column. This is great for keeping teams aligned without duplicating data. Start by signing in to monday.com and opening the board in your workspace where you want the information to appear. Once you're there, look to the top right of the board and click the plus icon to add a new column. Choose More Columns, then select Connect Boards. This column creates a link from items on your current board to items on another board. Next, click Select Boards and pick the board or boards you want to connect to. If you want the link to appear on both boards, enable Create a two-way connection. With a two-way connection, each side automatically gets a backlink, which makes navigation and auditing much easier. After the Connect Boards column is added, click into any cell in that column. You'll see a picker of items from the target board. Choose the specific item or items you want to link. From now on, that row is tied to live data on the other board. If your organization uses item permissions, you'll only see items you're allowed to access. Now let's bring data across with a mirror column. Add another new column and select Mirror from the column center. This column will display a field from the linked item without copying it, so it always reflects the latest source of truth. Open the Mirror Columns menu by clicking the three dots on the column header. Go to Settings, then Customize Mirror Column. In the Customization panel, you'll choose which connected board column to use and then which field from the linked item you want to display. Common choices include status, people, date, numbers, or timeline. Pick the field that matters to your workflow and confirm. A few tips to work smarter. Mirrored values are read only here, so if you need to change them, click through the link and update the original item on its board. If you enabled a two-way connection, teammates on the other board can follow the link back to your item as well. If you linked multiple items, the mirror column will show combined values when supported. For example, numbers can sum and statuses can display multiple entries. And if you don't see the items you expect, check your board permissions or ask an admin. That's it. You've connected boards and mirrored key data so your team can stay aligned in one view while data stays accurate at the source.